guys, this is Yein from Craftivity. Today I want to share with you a question that a lot of melt and pour soap makers have, and a problem that you face a lot, that is sweating of your soap bars. The sweating, some people call it sweating, some people call it wetting. It is actually caused by glycerin. See, the melt and pour soap bases are very good soap because they have a lot of natural glycerin. And if you don't know what sweating is, let me show you. So this is a bar I made. It's actually 2 bars of soap, but they're stuck together right now. It's fine, but I just wanted to show you this. If you look closely, you see the sweating. You see how it glitters and sparkles. Over here as well, it glitters and sparkles. So this is what sweating is like if you haven't seen it before. And this happens to a lot of melt and pour soap bases. Why it happens is because the glycerin in your melt and pour soap is a really good ingredient for your skin. When you wash with melt and pour, part of the glycerin is left onto your skin. It creates a moisturizing layer on your skin. While the glycerin is on your skin, it attracts moisture or vapor or water from the air onto your skin, making it moist all the time. So this is a really good ingredient. So what you see on the surface may not look good, but it's very good for your skin. How to stop this from sweating? Well, you can, right after demolding or taking it out from the mold, just use a cling wrap to cling wrap your soaps. Don't put your soaps in the fridge to harden for a quick hardening process, and then it won't sweat so much. The third thing you can do is you can put it in an airtight container and keep it closed so that it doesn't attract moisture. When it attracts moisture, the glycerin starts to sweat. So I hope you learned something today, and let us know if you've got any other questions or hashtag askyein, and I will get to your questions as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Happy crafting!